too familiar.
Take Tatsudara Matsudaro. Now, what he helped solve is one of the Zero's problems, and that is the flutter. The Zero is so light and so fast that actually at high speeds, or when it dives, it has a problem with stability. Now, it's the post-war period, and you're not making Zeros anymore. What are you making? You're making the fastest trains in the world. That actually poses many kinds of same aerodynamic problem. And so Matsudara plays a key role in keeping the bullet train stable.
It's thanks to his research on the Zero that the bullet train is able to speed along the rails incredibly fast.
Matsudara wasn't the only wartime engineer in the Japanese National Railway whose brush with the Zero would leave his mark on the bullet train.
You also have another engineering figure in the JNR. That's a man called Tadano Miki. At the end of the war, there was a problem. It was that the Zero wasn't fast enough to get through the American air defenses, so they needed something a lot quicker. So what Miki was tasked with designing was something called the Cherry Blossom, or the Oka bomber.
The Oka bomber looked like a bullet. If you looked at it, it was like, well, probably more like a flying torpedo, actually.
This was a jet-powered, single-seat aircraft with a pilot that carried explosives on it that would begin gliding toward the target. Then it would kick in 3 solid rocket booster engines that would propel it at a significantly greater speed toward the target. A speed so great that you just could not track it and deliver effective anti-aircraft fire against it.
Miki, like Matsudara, is asked to bring his wartime experience to the challenge of streamlining the Shinkansen bullet train.
Now, the aerodynamic challenges presented by a kamikaze plane diving are not that much different than posed by bullet trains at high speeds. And so he can take the sort of experience from designing these aircraft and move it to the design of the bullet train.
And what he creates is this absolutely unique bullet-shaped nose, which gives the Shinkansen its nickname, the bullet train. And if you look at a picture of the Oka bomber, what do you see? You see that influence in the bullet train's design. So you've got this situation, what was originally designed as a suicide bomber has a far more productive and peaceful purpose as a key part of Japan's high-speed railway network.